Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome you guys that are watching us on YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe, click on the bell. Look, today, man, we're gonna talk about several things. The guys that are watching from the BRRRR group too, if you guys got any questions, make sure you ask them. Yeah, where are you guys watching from? But that's just a generic question to get you to respond. Look, I don't really like doing that, man. I just like being real with you guys, man. So
it helps the algorithm.
It helps the algorithm. So yeah, there you go. Helps the algorithm. That's good.
It's not generic. It kind of is.
So look, guys, I want to tell you, man, why the BRRRR method. Everybody says, well, should I sell or should I do the BRRRR? So you guys seen the BRRRR that we did in 14-day renovation, rented day 18, $125 above our target. 3 doors down from there was a house that just went on the market like the same day we bought that house, February 26th. It went on the market for $145. Matt, can you pull that up and show it to him? Well, that thing just went pending. We just seen what it sold for, and it wasn't even renovated. $168.5. But it listed at $145. So ours is probably worth $200. We're in it for $106. Say probably, Matt, $190 to $200 is what ours is worth?
Oh, yeah.
He has no idea. He's social media guy.
I'm social media, but comparing to that house,
there you go. Let's say you make about $40,000 in gross profit off of the flip. Well, you have still realtor fees, your holding costs. You're gonna have to hold it longer than if you just rented it. Your landscaping cost, your seller concessions that you usually pay. So let's say you walk away with out of the 40 grand, $25,000 times 30, $750,000, and let's say you're able to capture 70% of that. You're walking away with $525,000 over 5 years, which isn't horrible, but again, it's not. It's dead. After that, you still got to go work. That's $100 grand a year, basically. You got to go work. You got to go do more. So you're not getting any real closer to your goal. The reason the BRRRR method is so effective is because you don't have to buy the property and wait 5 or 10 years for it to appreciate so that you can pull some money back out to go do another one. You're creating value rapidly through the renovation, like the one we did in the video. We bought it for $57,000, $2,000 in commissions, $45,000, what was it? Maybe $45,000 in renovation. Our all-in cost was $106. It's worth $175 conservatively. We're going to go back to the bank. We're pulling out $130. So we're pulling out, pay our investors back their $106. We got all their capital back. We're going to use their capital to do the next deal. And then we have another $24,000 to put with it, and we don't have to pay any taxes. And then the tenant is paying $1,375 a month, so we got $325 a month in cash flow. So let's watch this. Let's say we had $325 in cash flow times 30 units. This is year 5. $9,750 a month in cash flow. See, you can retire after 5 years. That's all we're going to show you guys, man. Man, I just want you guys to have the same freedom and flexibility. And I'm not selling it. I'm not coming out here saying, hey, man, buy this course. I don't need the money. I'm actually lightweight distracted from doing my real estate right now. And I'm really busy right now in a time when I don't need to be. But I really want to see you guys change your lives. So $9,750 times 12 months. Hey, look, man. That's $117,000 a year. But guess what? You're not going to pay any taxes on that money. I'm going to show you how. It's called accelerated depreciation and depreciation. And let's just say you make $117,000 a year, okay? And we'll do this flat line. And I'm going to show you in the course something even crazier than that. So let's say on average, your basis in the property is $125 times 30 properties. That's 3.75. Let's say the land value is 10, 12%. So times that by 0.88. That gives you $3.3 million basis, but I'm going to show you how to strip your basis down. I'm going to actually have my accountant show you how to do it in the course and show you how to just really accelerate your depreciation and take what's called bonus depreciation and really not pay any taxes if you're a real estate professional. And if you're not, we're going to show you a hack where your spouse can become a real estate professional if you're a high net income earner. And if the IRS is on here watching me right now, I'm probably know you guys are mad at me, but it's okay. It's legal. Now we got a $3.3 million basis, and we can divide that over 27.5 years. This is our paper loss. So I got 120. Look at that. I got $120,000 a year write-off. Okay, so I got $120,000 a year write-off, and I got $117,000. So I'm still showing a negative $3,000. The other piece that you're going to have to consider is your principal reduction. So if you look at a chart here, let me make a chart real quick. I'm going to show you why real estate. So here goes. I'm going to do this in reverse, but I don't care. It's going to be all screwed up. This is the property value. This is the amount you owe, and this is your rent. Property value is going up. Your rent's going up, and the amount you owe is going down. Why wouldn't you want to own a whole bunch of them? Why do you want to sell them off? Because when you do this correctly, you're able to do the BRRRR method and get all of your cash back out of the deals, man. And that's how I was able to scale quickly, creating vertical integration on every step, every process. So we became vertically integrated everywhere where we saw inefficiencies. And right now, one of the things where we have huge inefficiencies, and me and Devontae were talking about it yesterday, I said, you know what, man? We cannot find an extermination company that's worth a crap. I'm probably going to start an extermination company. Hire one guy, go around, do all our stuff, not so we can save money, but so we can make sure we're servicing our tenants correctly. In the process, we'll probably save a few dollars, but that is not the goal. The goal is to make sure, why are we going in units that we bought 3 months ago that still have roaches in them, and we've been paying an extermination company? We don't argue with them. They say, hey, here's how much it is. And we got different, so sometimes you do it out of necessity and not to save money, but ultimately it really should save you money as well. You're controlling the whole process. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Nate Barger on YouTube, and hit the bell, and you'll be notified on any new videos that come out.